How to fix Chrome video not playing in mobile. So if you're facing a problem with the Chrome video not playing, then what you can do is you need to check your internet connection. And once your internet connection is stable, you can simply tap and hold on to your Chrome application and go for app info. And under your app info, you can simply go for storage and cache. And under storage and cache, you can clear all of the cache which is on Chrome. And then you can tap on clear storage. And under your clear storage, here you will have free up space. Tap on free up space, and then you can delete all the site data. And once you've done that, you can go back and you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. And then go for the search bar and search for Chrome. Once you've searched, here you may have an update option, because if you have an update option, then you will have many problems related to that Google Chrome. So if you have an update, tap on update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply uninstall the application, and you can again install it from your Play Store. And make sure to restart your device once you've done all of these settings. And after restarting your device, you can open up your Chrome, and then your video will be playing. Your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your Chrome video not playing in your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.